a CA filing return with another CA? Hello all of you, CA Deepti Chheda here. Let us discuss this benchmark today. I am a chartered accountant. Last 20 years I've been teaching CA students and I teach them all the concepts of foundation, inter, final, accounts, taxation. I give them expert knowledge so that they can make a bridge between the concepts and the practical work what we are doing in the field. This is my expertise. Now I get to listen to this question around me always. Being a CA, you're not filing your own return. How is it? Like, what does it require? Then my answer is, today it is the time of expertise. I'm an expert in teaching. Let me do that. My colleague, she's an expert in filing the return. Let her file all my returns. In my family, it's a joint family, so we have 13 returns. Imagine, it's not my everyday work to file the returns. So which column, what to write, I am not having that in-depth knowledge, to be very frank. That is not my everyday work. Then why I should spare time to file my returns? If I give this outsource to my colleagues who are an expert in filing the return, and in that time I would love to read more, to prepare more good booster notes, to provide more mind map and some nice concepts to my students, because that is what I am expertise in. So what do you say? Do you also listen to this benchmark always? Are you being a CA, you are not filing your return? Yes, I am proud to say I am not filing my return and I file it with my colleagues who are an expert in this. So now, if you are looking for an expertise coaching with 20 years of teaching experience, 13 years completed in concept classes and 1 year completed in CA Deepti Chheda's concept classes app, the link is given below. Download the app now and see yourself. Whatever videos are there for the subjects, just see for yourself in the content, the way of teaching. These videos are not like made for 10-15 minutes. In-depth videos are there. PDF material is also there. Check for yourself. If you want to learn from the base, from the scratch, and then both things should go hand in hand. Exam oriented presentation, and I feel the best part of the conceptual coaching is by the end of the coaching, you should be independent, that without the help of the teacher, you are able to solve the problem. Lot of combo courses are available, lot of specially small courses like amalgamation, internal reconstruction, or only accounting standards which are for 40 marks. All the concepts and all the videos are available in the concept classes app. Download the app from the link, and always I am there to support you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Dear students, this is the perfect time to pick up the studies. I know exams are over, and if you have completed your group 1, start your preparation for group 2. This is the perfect time. Don't wait for the results. Whatever may be the result, if it is positive, you will join articleship. If it is not, then you can write both the groups together. So perfect time to prepare. So go ahead, and this is our as a way of thanking. Honestly, you can see the consistency in the concept classes page and YouTube. There is no markup ki prices बढ़ा दिया and फिर offer and discount. Genuinely go and check. There are genuine offers, and so many courses are being offered at 25%, and booster programs are offered at 90% discount if you buy the whole combo course of group 1 and group 2. And the whole team is there to support you to bring out the best result, and we will take care of that mentoring. How many videos are over? Where did you face doubt? After every 1 week, we will have live classes with you for all your doubt clearing and all the support needed. You will be added in a separate group of app students where you can mutually help each other, and the team is also there to help you, right? So wish you very all the best, and please comment if you agree or not that we should work in the field in which we are expertise. I'm an expertise, though I'm a CA, I'm an expertise in teaching and I love my work. My colleague is an expertise in filing the return. Let her do my work. I'm proud to do that outsourcing. Do you agree? Then do comment below this. And thank you so much for watching this video till end. Signing off now, CA Deepti Chheda here. Thank you. Bye-bye.